So this engine didn't have anything to mount the throttle cable to, so I found one from a Predator engine, and it's got it. The thing to hold the throttle casing and the throttle cable. I hit a roadblock here. This central machinery shaft appears to be a 3/4 shaft, but it's actually not. The outside diameter is slightly larger than 3/4, so I'm gonna have to use this little sucker and just ever so slightly shave a top layer off. Just enough to get the clutch on there. Well, I ground it down. I drilled 2 dimples into the shaft so that way these Allen head set screws can actually sink into the shaft to lock in place. And in addition to that, I got the sleeve, which is slightly longer, about 1 millimeter or 2, just so I could press against it as it wedges against the taper of the shaft. So this isn't going anywhere. Perfect chain tension, just enough wiggle. I'm happy. Put a kill switch there. It's a really heavy duty momentary button. Really accessible when you're sitting on it. Took the gas tank off and just kept this Tecumseh one. Made this exhaust just because the other one was too close to this fuel filter and with the whole box shape, so I didn't want any heat towards any gas components. This is where I wired the kill switch to the emergency oil cutoff. I just rewired it to this. It's just there like that. Use the step drill. Looks good. I'm happy with it. Throttle cable assembly came out great.